Welcome to Cooking Space, a place where mindfulness and being present meets food and music. A place to chill out, relax, enjoy, get connected, and make something delicious. All right guys, so today we're gonna go to Spain, España, for our inspiration. And I had the good fortune of cooking in Spain right after culinary school. And I also traveled there pretty extensively for research and development in order to get, the flavor of Spain and open our restaurants. One of my favorite experiences was at tapas bars or at tapas restaurants, and one of my favorite tapa is Gambas al Ajillo. It's a crowd favorite at our restaurants, and one of my favorite desserts, a classic, Crema Catalana. We're gonna do a little riff on it. We're gonna do chocolate Crema Catalana with vanilla macerated berries. Come on in, let's get to cooking, guys. We've got these beautiful shrimp here, and then we have olive oil, garlic, some chopped parsley. These are dried guindilla chilies. Not too hot, but just spicy enough to give a flavor. Lemons, a little bit of just toasted baguette. They're just toasted in a little bit of olive oil and butter. And most importantly, for our gambas al ajillo, we have a cazuela here. So I'm gonna heat the garlic oil in there, and I'm gonna cook the shrimp right in that mixture. So we're gonna start by pouring some of our olive oil right into this cazuela. And we're gonna add a little garlic to this. Kind of whisk that around. Let the oil and garlic start to infuse. I'm gonna season my shrimp here really generously. Good amount of salt. And a little bit of pepper as well, just a touch. And I'm also gonna chop my guindilla chilies. I'm just gonna put a few little specks of that guindilla right into the oil. I could see the garlic start to the heat is starting to radiate and start to cook the garlic. I'm gonna make sure that guindillas are also kind of working their way into this. And once the oil starts to bubble, I'm gonna give it another 10 seconds, just letting that oil kind of come together. Just a little flip on here. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley. That's it. You'll take your tongs. Boom. Gambas al Ajillo. Looking delicious. Serve it with a little toast point right on the side. Boom. All right guys, so we're gonna make our Crema Catalana, and this is really a riff on a classic custard, Spanish custard. Some of you might know it as creme brulee. I'm gonna make a chocolate with orange vanilla Crema Catalana, which should really be very flavorful. We're gonna start by making our custard itself. We have some heavy cream and sugar, which we'll start in a pot. Eventually we'll temper 18 egg yolks into that mixture, fold in our chocolate, which I have over a double boiler. This is just milk chocolate that I'm bringing up to temperature, kind of getting it warm. And then we're also gonna make a vanilla and orange simple syrup to macerate our berries with. First thing, our heavy cream. I have a pot that already got hot, so it could scald the cream pretty quickly. I'm gonna bring that up. I'm gonna add my sugar into here. Give that a little whisk. Kind of let those two things come together. So really the basis of a custard is emulsifying egg yolks into a cream mixture that eventually thicken that mixture. I have some chocolate here. I have a little steam coming up from the bottom. The bowl sits in the steam, so there isn't any direct heat that's hitting the bowl, just steam. And this is a great way to kind of start to melt chocolate. So I have a little milk chocolate in here. We're just gonna keep whisking it. We're gonna get it Well, this is called like tempering the chocolate. I'm letting my cream and sugar kind of come up to a boil. I'm gonna make a simple syrup now, a orange vanilla simple syrup. So I have water, some sugar, a little orange vanilla extract from the Vanilla Extract Company. Great product, really love it. It's gonna give me a nice kind of citrus note to my simple syrup. I'm just gonna move this around. And the simple syrup, we really just want it to kind of come up to a simmer, and then we'll add our fruit in and let it cool down. The next step is we're gonna temper our cream mixture with our 18 egg yolks. And the importance of tempering is really establishing a heat for these egg yolks not to cook. So it's kind of a slow, when we say tempering, it's really like adding slow amounts of creamy liquid into the egg yolks until they kind of come together and emulsify. Our hot cream that's over here. And what I'll do is I'll just start adding just a little bit at a time and whisking some of that hot cream into there. We'll be adding this egg mixture back into the pot with the rest of the cream. I'll probably do it one more time. Now I'm gonna slowly add this mixture back into the pot here. Biggest thing here is making sure you don't have a bowl of scrambled eggs. That's how I measure success on the Crema Catalana. So we have our cream, we have our sugar mixture. I have a little milk, and I'm gonna add a little more of our orange vanilla into that. I have a little bit of gelatin as well. And we're gonna kind of mix this together. And let's see, let's have a look at our simple syrup. That's looking pretty good. Our vanilla simple syrup. I'm gonna add our berries into here just to kind of let those come up. In about 20 minutes, just let them kind of come together. While this is setting, we're now gonna add our chocolate and gelatinized milk mixture into here. So I'm gonna just gradually add this in. So for our next step, I'm gonna fold in the chocolate right into our custard mixture. All right guys, so with our custard being done, we're just gonna pour a little of this into a cazuela, a nice amount, almost 3/4 of the way up. And then what you do is you just put this in the fridge, let it set up, probably at least 2 hours till it gets nice and firm. And then you're ready to brulee the top. So I had one set up, I'm gonna just bring it in. Have one right here, looks great. It's nice and set. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar onto here to brulee it. That's it, just looking to get a little crunch on top. I have our vanilla and orange macerated berries right here. Just put a few of those right off to the side. A little bit of orange zest. And that's it guys, there you have our vanilla and chocolate Crema Catalana. Can't wait to try it. Really nice and creamy. Just like in Spain, a perfect Crema Catalana has a nice custardy flavor to it, not too dense, really kind of melts in your mouth. I'm getting the real nice orange vanilla notes in here as well. I had a blast cooking for you today. I wanted to thank all of our sponsors, especially Sub-Zero Wolf & Cove for letting us use their cooking space. And a special shout out to the Vanilla Extract Company and Simrise for use of their product. It was fantastic in our dishes today. And I want to thank all of our media sponsors, And as well, to remind everybody that a portion of the sponsorship dollars go to the Garces Foundation, a philanthropic organization located right here in Philadelphia. And for the full recipe, the ingredients, the techniques, how you can make this at home, click on the link below. I hope you enjoy your cooking space as much as I enjoy mine. Buen provecho, salud. See you next time.